Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of n plus m, this is equal to a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So as you can show you right here, we have 7 to the power of x plus 8. This is going to equal 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 8. And now this is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7 is equal to 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 7 to the power of 8 as well as 8 to the power of x. So these two would cancel out, and on this side, these two would cancel out. So now we are left with 7 to the power of x over 8 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now 7 to the power of x over 8 to the power of x is the same thing as 7 over 8 to the power of x. And now this is equal to 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now we have log of 7 over 8 to the power of x is equal to log 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. And the power property of logarithms states that if we have a power for the logarithm, which in this case is x, we can actually move this to the front of the logarithm. So now this is actually going to be equal to x times log 7 over 8. And if we have something in the form log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So log 7 over 8, this is going to equal x times log 7 minus log 8. Now this is equal to log 8 to the power of 7 minus log 7 to the power of 8. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 7 minus log 8. So now these two cancel out, and we are left with x is equal to 7 log 8 minus 8 log 7, because remember, we're moving the exponent to the front of the logarithm, over log 7 minus log 8. Now, log 7 is actually equal to approximately 0.8451. And log 8, this is equal to approximately 0.9031. So if we plug these values in for x, we get x is equal to 7.5707. So this is our answer. And we can also write it like this. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 1 divided by x is equal to 27 to the power of x. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 1 over x on both sides. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, we have 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over x. This would equal 27 to the power of x times 1 over x. When for x times 1 over x, these x's simply cancel out, and we are simply left with 1. So this would be 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 27 to the power of 1. Now 27, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So now we have 1 over x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So as you can see here, 1 over x is a in this case, and 3 is b, meaning 1 over x is equal to 3. Now, if I multiply both sides by x, these two cancel out, and I get 1 is equal to 3x. Now, if I divide by both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is our answer. Now, to check, let's plug in x in this equation. So now we have 1 over 3 is equal to 27 to the power of 1 over 3. Now, 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is the same thing as the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So now we have 3 is equal to, now 1 over 3 is the same thing as 3. So 3 equals 3, because this is right, we know that our solution is right.